Welcome to another Product One's quick functionality overview videos. Today I'm diving into Creo Advanced Design Tools or Tier 2 package. This suite is packed with features designed to enhance your design process. First up, we've got the Advanced Assembly Extension or AAX. Now, if you're dealing with complex assemblies, this is your best friend. AAX offers top-down design capabilities that simplify your workflow. Imagine defining critical components, publishing or sharing interface geometry with the rest of your team, having the ability to work simultaneously on different subcomponents, and automatically updating all related parts from the top level. AAX offers this capability amongst others, so no more tedious manual updates. Next, let's talk about the Prismatic and Multi-Surfaces Milling extension. This tool is a game changer for machining. You can handle everything from simple prismatic parts to intricate surfaces with ease. The built-in simulation helps you avoid those costly mistakes like defining jigs, fixtures like your vise. Plus, it provides real-time feedback on toolpaths. And it even simulates stock material removal, so you can tweak on the fly. It's precision engineering at its finest. And finally, Mathcad Prime. Think of it as the ultimate tool for engineering calculations. Mathcad Prime allows you to perform, document, and share your calculations with ease. It supports dynamic unit conversion, ensuring your calculations are always accurate. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Creo, enhancing your workflow. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.